So I am running a skincare brand and recently I've launched a new offers for all my loyal customers and I want to notify all my customers about this offer on WhatsApp. So do you think that I'm going to send thousands of customers WhatsApp messages manually? No, this is a very time consuming and a tedious process. I've simply automated this process by creating a broadcast campaign using Pabbly Chatflow. And in this video I'll show you how exactly you can also do this. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly and let's see how to create this amazing automation. To do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Once you click on the sign up for free, you can get 100 credits to try Pabbly Chatflow. This means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this, you just have to pay one time and do WhatsApp automations without monthly fees. So I'll suggest you try Pabbly Chatflow first, and then if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Alright, so now we are on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and let's see how to create this amazing automation. For that, over here you have to make sure that you've added a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow like I have done. If you haven't added a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, you're going to get a video tutorial on the screen only, and also the video tutorial is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that and add your WhatsApp number. It is very simple. If you do not wish to check the video out, over here is add WhatsApp number button. You can click on this and add your WhatsApp number. So let's just move on further. After adding the WhatsApp number, from the left end of the side you have to go on this broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you come on this broadcast feature, you have to click on this add broadcast button. After you click on this add broadcast button, over here it is asking to select the broadcast type. So you can select broadcast campaign or API campaign. You have to make sure that you select broadcast campaign right over here. The next is this broadcast name and the contact list. So over here I am just going to name this broadcast as Glow20. This is the coupon code which I am offering, so I'm just going to name the broadcast same right over here. It is asking me to select the contact list over here. So I want to send it to 1000 plus customers and I'm just going to select the contact list for the same. But before selecting the contact list, you should know how to create one, right? So to create one, from the left hand of the side, go on this contact section of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here you have to add your contacts before creating the list. In order to add the contacts, you have to click on this add contact button. You can add the single contact, or if you want to upload the bulk contacts, you can go on this add bulk contacts and simply upload the CSV file of the bulk contacts. Once you upload the contacts right over here in the left hand of the side, you have to go on this add contact list, and from here you can create a contact list. I've already created multiple contact lists, so I'm just going to choose them right over here. You can select multiple contact lists, or also if you want you can select a single contact list too. Apart from that, over here it is refine audience. This is an optional field. If you want to exclude some contact lists, you can select it right over here. Apart from that, if you want to schedule some specific contacts, you can select that too right from here. And apart from this, if you want to schedule contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window, you can skip them too. This is going to skip contacts who message you within the last 24 hours, so they don't receive a redundant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. This is a very useful feature. If you want, you can just switch it on right from here. The next is the select message type. So you can select a pre-approved template message or a regular message. So over here, if you go for regular message, you have to go on this regular message. You just have to select the message type and then you have to enter the message right over here. Whatever you're going to enter, you're going to get the preview on the right end of the site, and over here you can simply send this regular message. Apart from this, if you want to send the pre-approved template message, from the left end of the side you have to go on this template section of Pabbly Chatflow. From here you have to click on this add template button. You can generate the template using AI, or you can also create the template yourself. Once the template is created, you have to wait till Meta approves your template. Once your template is approved by Meta, over here what you can do is you can go on this select WhatsApp template button and simply choose your template. Like I'm just going to show you my template is this, so I'm just going to choose the same. same. Now it is saying header file URL. Over here I have an image in this template and I am just going to upload that image. So what you have to do, you have to go in this upload from media library, and over here if you have that image in the media library, you can upload it directly from here. Apart from this, if you don't have it here, you have to go on this add new image button. You can simply choose a file or drag it from your computer and simply upload that file in the media library. Once your image is in media library, you just have to choose the image and click on this insert button and it will be inserted. The header file URL and the file name will be inserted automatically. If you want, you can definitely edit the file name right over here. Apart from that, you just have to click on this done and this message is ready. Now it is saying username and phone number. Why is it asking me this? So before sending it to thousands of customers, you just have to check that if the message is going correctly or not. For that, what you can do is you can simply enter your username and simply enter the mobile number on which you want to send this test message. Click on the send test message button and it is saying test broadcast send. So let's just open our WhatsApp, and right now we have received a new WhatsApp message right over here. It seems perfectly fine. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply schedule this broadcast. So in order to send this broadcast, you have two options: schedule it for later or send instantly. If you want to schedule it for later, you can go on this yes schedule for later. You can choose the date and time by the calendar right over here. If you want to send it instantly, you can click on this no send instantly and then add broadcast button. Once this broadcast is sent over here, the status will show live, and once this broadcast is sent, it will be showing you sent. And after this broadcast is sent, what you can do is you can view the stats of the broadcast too. How many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. So I have successfully sent this broadcast and it is running in the backend. Once it is sent, the details will be adding right over here. Right now it is in live section. So like this, we have successfully learned how to send 1000 plus WhatsApp messages to 1000 plus customers just by a single click. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. My team is definitely going to help you out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.